Hi, did you know that your dog's yawn is not about being tired? It's a secret symbol that most dog owners miss. Dogs yawn when they're stressed or unsure, but here's the twist. They also use it to calm themselves or even calm you. It's a built-in way to say, I just need a moment. If you see a yawn when you're petting or in training, pause. Make things easier, and you'll build trust and get better results. You want to decode more of your dog's hidden signals? Hit follow or visit the website. I share the stuff most trainers won't tell you.